Oh my god. Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another. What the hell? Oh my god, this is crazy, guys. So today we are now trying out the Sony ZV-E10. This is a new camera. Yeah, so what did you just saw with some b-roll footage? I mean, pulling up. Yeah, I did do a picture profile right now. I don't know how this looks. It could be ass, it could be good. I'm currently using a CPL lens filter right now. Hopefully the audio levels are pretty good. Right now we're at the 18th focal length. If I zoom in and we're now at 23 and we're going eventually at 100, but 100 you're too close to me. So anyways, let's not wasting more time. Let's continue testing out this new camera. We are done chilling. Oh my god, I gotta get used to the zoom ring. I'm not used to the zoom ring. So now we're on the pier. So basically right now we're chilling, and now look at this. See the island over there? Oh damn, look at that 105mm zoom. That's crazy, yo. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, I'm literally chilling. What are these girls doing? Why are they coming over, bro? I'm not Eric Velucio, guys. This is awesome. Now I can actually see my audio's working. And now, guys, enjoy the awesome view of Walnut Beach. You want to be on the YouTube?
Yeah, I want to be on the YouTube. What's your YouTube? Me and Amy want to be on the YouTube.
flaminatoryt on my Instagram.
Got you. I'm going to be on the tube, right?
We'll see.
Hi, Mr. Valencia. Whatever your last name is.
Adios.
Bye.
What in God's name is going on, bro? Well, they thought I was Eric and freaking Ivan, bro. I'm dead. You know? You want to be in it? Yeah. What's good, bro? Damn. Right now, I don't even know. I might go on the other side of the beach and see what's going on. Maybe I might do some B-roll walking around Silver Sands. We'll see how it goes, though. Right now, we're using regular optical steady shot OSS of the 18-105 lens. I don't know how stable this is gonna be post-production, even though Catalyst's browse is probably a lot better, but we don't know. We'll find out later.
Tired of the distance, you're tired of the fake love. See, you don't really miss them, but
guys, I ain't gonna lie to you. This has been a very interesting summer, you know? Went to New York, went to Maryland, and I think now is the right time to start walking over there and maybe drop by Walnut Beach Creamery. Kinda hungry, maybe I want a medium cookies and cream, you know what I'm saying? And I keep having to like fix the dead cat on my microphone. Getting annoying. And I don't know how to freaking turn this down. That's good. Let's hold down to Walnut Beach Creamery. And my god, the shutter speed is now dying. Now I'm underexposed. Okay. Oh my god, you look, that is huge, Julia. I ain't gonna hold you.
My forehead?
Yeah, I mean, your forehead is pretty big. So.
I think it's average size.
Average size?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't want to show my forehead.
Is that why you're wearing a hat?
Yeah. Julia, nice seeing you. Awesome.
Adios.
Adios, adios. Alright, so guys, the plan now, I finished my ice cream. I'm gonna probably have to switch out the battery. It's at like 5%. So I'm gonna switch out the battery and then we'll continue walking and recording more stuff. After that, that concludes the test of the ZV-E10. See you when we're back outside. Guys, we're gonna be heading over to that table over there. This one. That one right over there. We're gonna head to that table and yeah. See you guys at the table in 3, 2, 1. Okay. A little bit shaky of a little arrival, but we're not here. We're chilling at the table. I'm gonna drink some water. But now this is a perfect time to demonstrate product showcase. So basically, product showcase is a mode where you literally do this and it should focus onto the object. So let's try that out, because right now it's distracting my eyes, see? It's not focusing to the water bottle at the moment. But if I go around, product showcase mode. Thoughts? Obviously, I turned down some of the transition speed between, you know, putting up the object and putting it down. I put it a little bit slower, so it has a more gradual effect instead of having this just instant kind of switch. But yeah, that is project show. I keep saying project like it's some Roblox Project Slayers, guys. I haven't made a video like that in forever, and I will never play that game ever again. Anyways, besides that, let's turn on product showcase mode, because I don't want y'all to be focusing on my water bottle when I'm trying to talk to y'all. We are presently entering golden hour, which is perfect because this is really where I want to test this camera during golden hour. Yeah, we'll head over to the boardwalk again, and then we're gonna do our last finishing touches with the car and their photos of the car.
12 seconds later.
I forgot where we're going. The boardwalk, yeah, right.
It's alright. Sunlight, moonlight, I'm dead. Miss you, don't get out of my head. In the morning, you know what's sunset.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, different. Tell me if it's good. Wait, hold on. Wait, let me go. Good?
You good? Hey, yo. You cooked? You cooked?
What?
You cooked? You cooked?
Oh
my God. You ready? Hey.
In my head, fuck it, I can't recall. Now everything is red, I can't see anymore. It's alright. Sunlight.
You guys had a jump or what?
That's
You've been contemplating for the past like 5 minutes, bro. I was like walking by, I'm like, they're like, okay, come on, guys, we got this. Come on. We gotta jump. We gotta jump.
No, okay, let's do it. You have to jump with me. Why are you so far away? 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! How is it?
Good.
Nice.
Red in my bank account, like fuck it, don't tell BMO. Red like you got them cash and stats, left me on scene though. I need a shawty rich and take my ass to Rio. Get on my head.
Sir.
I've been with homies and breaking the bread. I've been so hidden, I know when this like staring on the ground, left me for dead. I'm a dog, bro, my shooter's alarm. Motherfucker, call it on. End of the song, they put me out of the job. Praise the Lord, fuck the law. Feel like the mafioso, the boss. I give it all that I get for the.
This video, while I wasn't planning on doing anything with it, I might have to do something with it. So some of these clips, they look really good for montage. I'm not gonna lie to you. And all in all, looking pretty good today. What a good day. Good day.
Oh yeah, everything is red. Oh yeah, everything is red.